Education. I am Sarta, 8th class section.
And B Sumasri, 8th class section.
And P Sindhuja, 8th class section.
My team name is Vishweshwaraya. My project name is Smart Vehicle Accident Avoidance System using Arduino ultrasonic sensor and buzzer. Abstract traffic accidents are a significant concern worldwide, necessitating the development of negligent system to vehicle safety. This paper introduces a smart vehicle accident avoidance system designed to prevent collisions by ultrasonic Arduino ultrasonic sensors on a buzzer. The system is implemented to detect obstacles in the vehicles, resisting essential potential collision risk and provide immediate auditory feedback to the driver through the buzzer. The integration of ultrasonic sensor allows for real-time monitoring of the vehicle surrounding, ensuring quick response and accident prevention. This cost-effective and scalable system aims to contribute to road safety by providing an effective solution to mitigate the risk of accidents in various driving scenarios.
Key components: Arduino microcontroller. The Arduino microcontroller serves as a central processing unit, collecting and analyzing data from the ultrasonic sensor. It controls the overall functionality of the systems and triggers the buzzer in the events of the potential collisions. Ultrasonic sensor. Multiple ultrasonic sensors are strategically placed on the vehicles to monitor the distance between the vehicles and nearby obstacles. These sensors provide accurate and real-time data about the vehicle's surroundings. Buzzers. An audible alert system is aggregated to notify the driver in case of a imminent collision. The buzzer is activated by the audio when the system detects a potential obstacle within a specified range.
Working principle. The ultrasonic sensors continuously measure distances around the vehicle. The Arduino processes the sensor data and determines if there is a risk of collision. If an obstacle is detected within the predefined safety distance, the Arduino triggers the buzzer to alert the driver. System features: real-time obstacle detection and collision risk assessment. Immediate auditory feedback to the driver for quick response. Configurable safety distance parameter to adapt to different driving scenarios. Benefits: enhance vehicle safety by preventing collisions. Cost-effective implementation using readily available components. Can be integrated into existing vehicles for improved safety features. Applications: retrofitting existing vehicles with an additional safety layer. Integration into new vehicles as part of advanced driver assistance systems.
Conclusion: the smart vehicle accidents avoidance systems provides a practical and cost-effective solutions to enhance road safety by leveraging Arduino ultrasonic sensor and a buzzer by promptly detecting obstacles and alerting the driver. The systems contributes to accidents prevention and addresses the growing concerns of the road safety. These technologies have the potential to be widely adopted, improving the safety features for both existing and future vehicles.